Hello, today I'll be playing Teardown for the first time ever. I just got this game, I'm pretty sure, about a day ago. I want to save all this surprise stuff, for, the video, you know what I'm saying? To start off, these look like some good maps, but let's go with this one. So first, expressions. This game looks amazing. Kind of reminds me of, like, I don't know, kind of like a Minecraft-ish kind of. Like, it's kind of Minecrafty, like way better. Okay. So there is physics. Okay. Can you drive this truck? Ooh. Honey, I'm home. Let me park. Samantha won't worry about it. Alright, honey, I'm home.
Banging noise.
Thank you. Let me close the door.
What'd you say? Is my door okay?
Okay, the door's closed.
Okay.
How's the kids?
Good.
Shut up. I don't really care. I'm gonna cook up some bomb spaghetti. You know, my world famous bomb spaghetti.
What the hell's
Oh, yeah.
spaghetti?
Alright. Alright, you said you wanted some bomb spaghetti, right?
I never said that.
Alright. To the beach and for vacation. For vacation. After you eat, you know what they say? Oh, whoa! Okay, whoa, this place is actually beautiful. I actually like this. Okay, that. Okay, I didn't mean to place that. No. Okay. I mean, it's more natural now. I mean, yeah, it's not that much grass anymore. The grass kind of just, the sand, I meant. But like, that was a big explosion. There was a boat over there. I say, we get on this nice boat right here. And we go on that boat that's all the way over there. It's like, see my nice boat? I'm so sorry. Damaging the place. Like, perfect. And there's a monster truck on here. Perfect. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Oh, we can. What was that? Whoa. Oh god, we're sinking. Why are we sinking? What happened? That wasn't supposed to happen. Dang it. Alright. So I found this on the boat. Well, in the water. And I picked it up. And I think it's a bomb. So what I'm going to do, because this boat's like the only way I can really get home. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get on this thing. And I'm going to try to shoot it. Wait, hey, wait, no!